This single decrease is known as SSK, or slip, slip, knit, and it creates a left-leaning slant in your work. You might be asked to decrease in this way at any point along a row. I'm going to put it just here at the edge, just to emphasize the left-leaning aspect of this decrease. I've got 2 stitches at the start for a selvage, and now we're going to decrease by 1 stitch. Slip the first 2 stitches knitwise, one at a time. Then you're going to knit these 2 stitches together by inserting the tip of the left-hand needle down into the front of those 2 stitches and then knitting them together. And now you have decreased by 1.